for apple, juicy and red. A-P-P-L-E, that's what I said. Apple, apple, yummy to see. A-P-P-L-E, apple with me. B is for ball, it bounces so high. B-A-L-L, up to the sky. Ball, ball, roll it to you. B-A-L-L, ball is true. C is for cat, so furry and sweet. C-A-T, with little pink feet. Cat, cat, meow and play. C-A-T, cat all day. D is for dog, barking with cheer. D-O-G, a friend so near. Dog, dog, wagging its tail. D-O-G, dog on the trail. E is for egg, so smooth and small. E-G-G, we don't drop at all. Egg, egg, crack 1, 2. E-G-G, breakfast for you. F is for fish, swimming around. F-I-S-H, not making a sound. Fish, fish, splash in the sea. F-I-S-H, swim with me. G is for goat, climbing so tall. G-O-A-T, on rocks it won't fall. Goat, goat, munching away. G-O-A-T, all through the day. Clap, clap, clap. Stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Sing the letters loud and clear. The ABC is fun to hear. H is for hats, pop on your head. H-A-T, pink, green or red. Hat, hat, stylish and neat. H-A-T, cool on the street. I is for ink, purple and blue. I-N-K for drawing too. Ink, ink, write on a page. I-N-K, words on the stage. J is for jam, so tasty and sweet. J-A-M, a yummy treat. Jam, jam on bread we'll share. J-A-M, spread it with care. K is for kite, flying so high. K-I-T-E, up in the sky. Kite, kite, soaring with glee. K-I-T-E, fly with me. L is for lion, roaring with might. L-I-O-N, king of the night. Lion, lion, strong and free. L-I-O-N, roar with me. Wave your hands, wave, wave, wave. Dance around, be bold, be brave. Sing the letters loud and strong. The ABC is a happy song. M is for moon, shining so bright. M-O-O-N, glowing at night. Moon, moon, silver and round. M-O-O-N, high above ground. N is for nest, where birdies stay. N-E-S-T, safe every day. Nest, nest, cozy and small. N-E-S-T, home for all. O is for O, hooting at night. O-W-L, with big eyes so bright. O, O, sitting in trees. O-W-L, woo goes he. P is for pig, rolling in mud. P-I-G, thump with a thud. Pig, 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 snorting with glee. P-I-G, piggy with me. Q is for quail, tiny and sweet. Q-U-A-I-L, quick little feet. Quail, quail, running so fast. Q-U-A-I-L, zooming past. R is for rainbow, shining so bright. R-A-I-N-B-O-W, colors in sight. Rainbow, rainbow, up in the sky. R-A-I-N-B-O-W, colors fly high. S is for sun, shining so bright. S-U-N, giving us light. Sun, sun, warming the ground. S-U-N, shining around. T is for tree, tall as can be. T-R-E-E, leaves on me. Tree, tree, strong and green. T-R-E-E, lovely scene. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, under the sky. Umbrella, umbrella, open up wide. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, stand by my side. V is for van, driving to town. V-A-N, going around. Van, van, zoom on the street. V-A-N, ride so neat. W is for worm, wriggly and small. W-O-R-M, thin and tall. Worm, worm, in the ground. W crawling around. X is for X-ray, look and see. X-R-A-Y, bones in me. X-ray, X-ray, shiny and bright. X-R-A-Y, black and white. Y is for yogurt, creamy and sweet. Y-O-G-U-R-T, such a treat. Yogurt, yogurt, smooth and cool. Y-O-G-U-R-T, breakfast rule. Z is for zebra stripes, black and white. Z-E-B-R-A, what a sight. Zebra, zebra, running free. Z-E-B-R-A, wild and happy. Now we know our ABC. Spelling words comes easily. Give a cheer, hip hip hooray. We learned our letters all the way.